An extraordinary legacy that redefines your future with breathtaking riverfront green views that ensure natural light and fresh air from your private balcony. Includes resort-style amenities and 31,000 square feet of royal clubhouse and an incredible payment plan for an extraordinary modern living by the India's most trusted developer is coming soon with their new launch project in the heart of Baner, Hinjewadi Road in Pune. But before moving towards the teaser project overview, first we'll discuss about what is Keystone Real Estate Advisory. So it is India's most trusted customer-centric real estate advisory company offering end-to-end home buying services जहां आपको expert guidance, multiple options and उसके साथ साथ आपको मिलेगा best price आपके सपनों के घर के लिए. So always remember, if you think property, think Keystone. So now coming back to the project overview. Godrej Property is coming soon with their new launch project, Godrej River Royal, a premium township project in the heart of Mahalunge. A stunning residential project spread across 4.3 acre of land parcel consists of 3 towers with 3 balconies in each apartment and only 2 units per floor with incredible payment plan for an extraordinary modern living where you have to just pay 25% now and book your dream home with bullet payment plan, offering luxurious 3 and 4 BHK residencies on a starting price 2.60 CR onwards. And with that, Godrej River Royal is close proximity to Balewadi metro station at the distance of 3.3 km, BRT bus stand at the distance of 2 km, Mumbai-Pune Expressway at the distance of 14 km from this project, Pune railway station at the distance of 16 kilometers, Global Indian International School within the radius of 0 km from this project, Jupiter Hospital, Surya Hospital within the radius of 6 km from this project, D-Mart at 4 km, Zion Mall at the distance of 8.4 km from this project, Hinjewadi IT Park at the distance of 4 km and Embassy Tech Zone within the radius of 7 km from this project. So don't miss this opportunity to be the witness of extraordinary life with attractive payment plan and special launch benefits, and this offer is valid till limited period only. So get registered now with this luxurious township in Baner and also want to explore more details about this project, so just contact on this number which is displayed on your screen, and our sales team will guide you with all your queries and doubts throughout the process. And last, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Keystone Real Estate Advisory for more such new launch videos notifications. Till then, take care and thank you for watching.